Hi everyone, welcome back to Mandarin Buzz. I'm New, here to help you continue your Mandarin learning journey. Today we are jumping to Lesson 5, Text 2, 在商店. So what we're going to learn today? Firstly, we'll go through the text together and break down each sentence. After that, we'll go through each new words, such as 见, 还, 可以, 不错. After that, we'll cover a grammar point, 还. And finally, we'll have a quiz together. Let's get started. Now let's start by reading through the text together. 帮我看一下这件衣服怎么样？颜色还可以，就是有点大。这件小的怎么样？这件不错，就买这件吧。Awesome! Now let's take a moment to break down the conversation. Listen closely and repeat after me. 帮我看一下这件衣服怎么样？帮我看一下这件衣服怎么样？颜色还可以，就是有点大。颜色还可以，就是有点大。这件小的怎么样？这件小的怎么样？这件不错，就买这件吧。这件不错，就买这件吧。Oh, fantastic! So let's talk about some key words from today's lesson. We'll go over a few new words and give you examples to help you understand them. Ready? The first new word is 件, which means piece. 这件衣服很漂亮。我有一件新的衬衫。The next word is 还. It means fairly rather. 这电影还不错。这个菜还行，不太辣。And then the new word 可以, which means not bad, okay. 这个房间还可以。他做的还可以。The last new word is 不错, which means pretty good, good. 这本书不错。今天天气不错。Now we are going to focus on a very useful word in Chinese, 还. As you know, 还 can be used in many ways, but today we'll talk about one of the most common and practical uses, how to use 还 to express that something is okay or not bad. So what does 还 mean in this context? Let's start by looking at an example from the text. 颜色还可以，就是有点大。In this sentence, 还 is placed before the adjective 可以, which softens the meaning. It shows the color is acceptable but not excellent. Now let's take a look at how this works in real life. Imagine you just finished an exam and a friend asks you how it went. 昨天的考试怎么样？And you didn't ace it, but you feel you did okay, you could say, 我考得还可以。In this example, 还可以 means okay or not too bad. So it's a way to show that your performance was fine, but not excellent. Next, imagine you just watch a movie with your friends, and one of them asks, how did you find the movie?你觉得这部电影怎么样？ You think the movie was okay, but not your favorite. You could respond, 还不错, which means it's pretty good or it's not bad. So in this context, 还不错 suggests that you found the movie better than average, but you wouldn't call it a favorite. By using 还 before 不错, you are giving a low-key compliment, saying that it was pretty good or not bad, without overhyping it. After these scenarios, you may have noticed a useful structure we can use to express neutral or moderate opinions. Subject plus 还 plus adjective. This structure allows you to give balanced feedback. Here are some common and very practical phrases you can use with 还。还好 it's okay. 还可以 it's possible, it's okay. 还行 it's fine, it's alright. 还不错 it's pretty good, it's not bad. These phrases are perfect for situations where you want to keep your opinion neutral, not overly positive, not very negative either. So let's practice using this structure in a real-life conversation. Imagine you have just finished the meal and your friend asks how it tastes. You thought it was decent, good enough, but nothing too amazing. Here's how you could respond using 还。这道菜味道还可以。这道菜还行。这道菜还不错。These phrases are perfect for situations where something is okay but not outstanding. It's like saying in English, it's okay or it's not bad. They are very commonly used in daily conversation to give polite, balanced feedback. Feel free to pause the video here and try to answer each quiz question based on what we have learned today.